Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 22nd, and I have my polka dot plant seeds here. I have some over here too. I'm gonna move here for the light. And I wanted to show these to you. Now, I'm trying to see which one this was here. This one here, polka dot seeds need light to germinate, and I accidentally covered these here with just a light dusting of soil, and they did all germinate for me, which I was really happy about. And then these over here I just surface sowed, and you can see they're all coming up here for me. And then I have some other ones over here. Hold on. Here they are, and these are actually just germinating. And these did not start getting their true leaves yet. Now you'll notice the seedlings themselves, when they first come up, before they have their true leaves, they're green. They will get their colors when they start getting their true leaves. And if they start getting their true leaves for you and they're still green, then they're not getting enough light. You can see here, let me move this back, how close I have them to the light. So they really need that strong light to get the coloring in them, which is what we want, because that's why we're growing them, for their colors. So when these start getting their true leaves, we'll actually feed them with a 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro to a gallon of water, and we'll make sure that our soil is nice and moist before we even before we even feed them, because we don't want to feed a dry plant because we'll risk burning the root system, and we don't want to do that. So I just wanted to show these to you here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.